Stocks in the deep. We have ALPS, TCRX, ALVO, NCEL, SOC, and CMBM. ALPS down 49.22%. This is Monday, the 3rd of November, 2025. Let's see now. I don't think there's some news, but I can't exactly say how I'm going to connect it with what's going on. But yeah, it's contracting the expansion of Friday the 31st. Okay. The stock rose from its 52-week lows as of then. Okay. There's no guarantee it's going to hold these sort of levels that it's currently trading at right now. The 10 and 21 day moving averages are trending robustly. Okay, let's see what we have. Well, we have some upper projections going by what we have previously. Let's see what we have here. 1.99, 1.79, yeah, and indeed also really deeper downward projections. Okay, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, yes, representing, or rather, yeah, representing that, or rather displaying the contraction. Projections here saying 0.3065. Let's see whether we can get upper projections here on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, we have some projections here. We have 1.31, 1.42, 1.51, 1.56. They're just modestly above the current levels. But before now, we had up to 1.83. Okay, we've seen 1.9 before. Yeah, we have 2.08, 2.16. Yeah. Let's see how heavy they are trading the stock or the lack thereof. Yeah, it's looking like okay. Aggression is quite high, it seems. Or liquidity is, I think, that was another thing. Yeah, liquidity. Oh, you can see the spread between these two prices. You can see that the bid and the ask. They can see the spread. So liquidity is an issue. Yeah, not very liquid. Yeah. Okay, 5.362 million. Okay, still. Okay, with that sort of volume, okay, you would expect that you wouldn't have that liquidity will be a lot better than what it is. Okay. TCRX down 36.5 dollars, intraday low 1.1 as well. TCRX. Okay, this well, it's actually on an extended it's actually contracting an expansion actually, and the extrapolation is saying that it may continue to print lower prices up till the 12th of November. Then after that, maybe from the up to the 11th of November. Then from the 12th, it may resume the uptrend that it had. It prolonged, if you like, a prolonged uptrend that began with the broader markets as of early April. Okay, so it was just not long ago, around 2 weeks ago, that it began to contract that expansion. So the algos are calculating that it may resume it. Let's see what we have. T-Scan Therapeutics announces 30% workforce reduction, cash runway extension. I think they may have announced they may have something bad may have happened as of the 21st. Let's see. 21st of October would be, do we have enough patience to have a look? 21st of October, no, we can't see anything. Nothing. Yeah, suddenly. Yeah, okay, well, that's where we're going. That it's well, that's what we have here. You can see, it was in a medium term uptrend. Yeah, and suddenly everything disappeared. Medium term, yeah, medium term, yes, medium term uptrend. Okay, everything's severely bearish now. All the moving averages are severely bearish. Okay, upward projection of 1.99. Previous upper projection 1.99, 1.97, 2.07, 2.21. Let's see what we have here: 2.1, 2.37, 2.54 as of the 24th of July. Okay, let's see what we have for ALVO. Down 35.29%, intraday low $4.9. ALVO, let's see what we have. Okay, it's looking like spread is not bad. It should be liquid, and price people may be discovering prices. Let's see, ALVO, Alvotech, 3.5 million shares. Okay, more than close to 7 times its average volume. ALVO, let's see. Okay, the stock has been on a downtrend for some time now. Okay, and the algos are saying it may continue at least up till the 20th of November. Then after that, it might get a bounce. Let's see, but something happened of late. We'll find out later on. 6.97 is an upper projection. As of the 27th of October, exactly 1 week ago, the projections were 6.97, 7.28, 7.77, 9.47, 10.04, 10.4. It had up to 10.98, 11.84, 12.37 as of the 2nd of July, 12.75, 13.95, 14.7 as of the 11th of June. Okay, let's see. All the moving averages are severely bearish. Positions open all the way back to 200 days ago are not in profit as things stand right now. Alvotech drops after US FDA declines to approve authorities drug. Okay, yeah. So bad news, bad news, bad news, bad news. Is it optionable? Let's see. Well, it's not optionable, no. Yeah. NCEL down 25.65%. Is it a case of contracting expansion? It seems it is. Yeah, it's contracting expansion. Yeah, let's see. NCEL. Oh, I think we covered it on Friday. NCEL. Okay, I think there's a merger or something like that. News and analysis can now be okay. Let's see whether there's any data on the it moved. There's a merger or something like that. So all the data are now have been erased. Okay, yeah. Don't think we'll be able to find enough in CEL. Let's get the data. Okay, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape. Okay, yeah, you might be able to see some news here. New Selects provides a business and strategic roadmap update following closing of merger with NLS Pharmaceuticals. SOC down 29.29%, intraday low 7.66. SOC, okay. Underlying trend bearish as well. Lower prices are expected to keep printing up till the 7th of November. Then after that, okay, this is its 4 hour chart. Let's see. Yeah, okay, well, we'll finish. And then after that, it might bounce, okay, based on this 4 hour chart. Projections are currently saying 9.23. Um, as of the 31st of October, it had 10.72, 15.52, 16.79, 17.57. Okay, it had as high as 24.86 as of the 10th of October, 23.89. Uh, yeah, Sable Offshore. Okay, let's see what we have here. Lower prices are expected to keep printing on the daily chart, and then after that, it might get a bounce. Lower prices are expected to keep printing up till the 6th of November. Then after that, it might bounce, um, and then maybe begin to contract by the 18th of November. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are currently saying 8.27 as of now. As of Thursday, the 30th, they had up to 16.9, 16.07, 14.74, 13.03, 10.08, 8.27. As of the 14th of October, up to 27.94, 26.39, 23.86. The odds of it retesting those are not high at all. Yeah. CMBM, CMBM down 26.09. I think it's the company that has a partnership with yeah, with Starlink or something like that. Okay. Okay, good spread, good spread, good spread. People are attempting to discover prices. You can see a lot of orders stacked. People are hoping to discover good prices given this dip, I guess. Yeah, let's see what we have in terms of volumes. Okay, okay, not as high. Okay, well, it had two or three, yeah, good runs. Yeah, two or three good runs. Surely Thursday and Friday, the 30th and 31st. Yeah, given the news when the news that news was disclosed, quite a high beta stock. So okay, well, the fact that we're looking at this sort of volume going by the 50-day average is 16.97, and we have this. I think it's just maybe an indication that it is just traders are just exiting, and the strong hands are probably still around. I think, yeah, maybe CMBM, CMBM. Let's see what the extrapolations are going to say. Okay, yeah, okay. Contraction is expected to keep playing out at least up till the 28th of November. Then after that, maybe a bounce. Okay, makes sense. This is a huge expansion. You can see two straight session of gains, three straight three session of gains, three straight session of gains. Okay, and in that time, it expanded by how much? It expanded by almost 5 times. Yeah, 5 times the expansion. Okay, projections are saying 1.14 down projection. But we have here this 7.68 intraday high. So that's equally an upper projection. Is it going to print that anytime soon? Maybe or maybe not. Let's see what we have on the 4 hour chart. But I think if it corrects very well, the lower it prints, people may, the better the entry there. As it is now, I think a lot of people some might be considering, but they may want to see lower prices or a consolidation. One of those. Yeah. Let's see whether we can find. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart for CMBM. Lower prices here as well. No extrapolation. Let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. 2.5 to 3.04. Sorry, what do we have there? 8. Is that 8 or what? Yeah, I can see what I have there on the screen. Yeah, it looks like 8.96. Might find something here on the 5 minute chart. Okay. Yeah, well, the stock looks quite promising. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. Given this partnership it has with Starlink, I believe, Cambium, 2.83, 3.02. Okay, yeah, just see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.